Welcome back mga kapuso sa GMA Regional TV Live. Subay nining pagsaulog nato sa National Children's Month atong ibida talento sa usa ka Batan-on'g nga siguradong pang-international gayod.
Makapagaan sa gibati. Kung ikaw, makadungog sa huni, pinaagi sa makapabilib nga talento sa violin ni ining Batan-on'g. Siya si Albert Raphael Sarmiento, 17 anyos, taga Cebu City ug tinun-an sa University of the Southern Philippines. Ubay-ubay na ka mga dagkong kalihukan, diin nakapasundayag siya sa iyang talento. Ang iyang gikalingawan lang kaniadto, nakaparelax sa mga tao nga makadungog sa iyang talento sa musika. Ato siyang ibida ug masilaylahon ta siya dinhi lang sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Nakauban nato sa programa karong buntaga mga kapuso, Albert Raphael Sarmiento. Maayong buntag ug hello rap. Welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live. Pakigreet sa atong mga kapuso nga nagtan-aw.
Good morning, Sir Nico, and good morning, Miss Maymay. Good morning to all the Kapuso viewers and to my fellow classmates from the University of Southern Philippines Foundation.
Kagaliha pa may sa pagsugod sa programa ni Tukar na to siya. Indot kay ito may no kay murag makaibog ginig na ay kamalumog gamit musical instrument violin pag yun nga murag ako ganahan kay kung mag-violin partner may kinsa may impluwensya ni Murap. Who taught you violin? Eskwelahan ba nimo?
Well, my parents really encouraged me to play the violin. I remember the time they pushed me to go through music lessons. My first lesson was in SM and then I proceeded to private tutoring. It was difficult at first, but once I got the hang of it, it seemed pretty fine already.
Pila ba edad nimo adto?
I started at the age of 8. It's going to be my 9th year of playing the violin.
Okay. So, ang pangutana, unsay dakong natabang sa musika diha nimo, especially sa imuhang confidence?
Well, in my confidence, I've been playing for a very long time. And every time I perform in different audiences, it makes me really happy to see them sing along, dancing, grooving to the music that I play.
Pagkanindot. So di wala na kay stage fright rap mo perform ka in front of a big crowd.
There's still some jitters when it's been a very long time since I've played.
Okay.
Even now, I'm pretty nervous also being in front.
Ayun lang kakulba.
Pero you know how to manage na sa
yes.
koan. Okay, mga kakulba. Pero aside from violin, we learn nga naapog kay other musical instruments nga kamausag ka mo tukar.
Yes, my parents influenced me to play the guitar. My dad played the old 70s songs and then it really intrigued me. It was very inspirational, the meanings. And I learned to pick up that guitar, search for chords, and then go to YouTube and learn the chords and then play along to the music that I find interesting.
Pagkanindot ani partner may no nga murag bata pa ka magsugod na kagkat-on sa mga musical instruments. Ug of course, di ato palabyo na kay gayunan partner nga atong yung patukaron sa pagbalik si rap.
Okay, can you give a sample, Rap?
Piece na
Sige, Rap. Okay.
Rap.
I would like to play Imagine by John Lennon.
Okay.
Because it provides a meaningful and relevant it's meaningful and relevant to our
yes.
times right
Sige,
now.
go.
Wow.
Go,
ahead,
Rap. Just wow.
Gusto na kumukanta may, pero susunod higayon na lang tamang tag-apel may, no? Just to close this rap, National Children's Month, may message mo sa mga Batan-on, mga talented kids like you?
We all have God-given gifts. It's up to us to nurture it. It may be difficult at first, but never give up and never stop honing your craft.
That's a nice one. Oh, makapa-encourage yun na sa uban sa mga bata nga, mga talented sound.
O mga kapuso, Albert Raphael Sarmiento, daghang kayong salamat. Rap, umubalik pa mga kapuso, GMA Regional TV Live.